Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize widget on Android phone. So let's get into it. Here I have opened my Android home screen, and then we're going to add widget to this Android home screen. So the first thing we can do is we can tap and hold on any empty area of the home screen. Then the screen will look like this. And then since we want to add widgets, we just need to click on the widgets option. Then you can select the widget that you want to add to your home screen, and you can slide your screen like this to find the widget. And for example, I'm going to add weather widget, and this is the weather, so just click on it, and then you can select the type of the weather widget that you want to use. And for example, I'm just going to select this one. Then we can click on add right here, and the widget will be added to our home screen. Okay, and I'm just going to select location for my widget, so just click on the location. Or we can also search for the other location. We just need to click on other location if we want to add another location. Okay, and this is my widget. This is the widget that I have just added to my home screen, and I'm going to drag this widget right here. Okay, and if you want to add another widget, you just need to repeat the same step that I have told you before. You can tap and hold on the screen like this, then you can click on widget and just select the widget that you want to add to your home screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can customize widget on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.